Randy here with Retire with Options. It's Thursday and it's a trade of the week time. So we're back in the throes of the Corona scare. And our trade of the week last week was AMD, and let's see, where did it? We put it in a 52 strike at 84 cents. And yeah, that trades not gonna be a good one, so I think I actually got into this trade late, about a couple of days. I only got 55 cents for it, and it looks like it's $1.38 now. So I'm gonna roll this one out to next week, and looks like it's gonna cost us about $1.43 to buy it back. So let's do that. Print and send. Okay, so we are now out of the trade. So now let's go see what we can find to cover that. And we'll just roll it out. AMD will go out to the next week, 7 days. And at a 51 premium, we can collect $1.63. That'll leave us right on the money and give AMD a chance to recover. Confirm and send. And now we are back in the trade for next week. And that's how you roll one out. And you use the options to pay you to wait. And so we're back in at 51 at $1.66. And that's going to be it for this week on the trade of the week. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon.